Hello America, hello world, hello YouTube, hello red brick people. Free, right? Land of the free, America. Red brick building of the past, in your face, whitewashed. Made out of red bricks. It's from the past and it was here. Some mother with a flag on burned the place to the ground, huh? Right there in your song and dance, huh? Sold us out to big pharma all over the United States, huh? Yeah, what the heck? Land of the free, you and me. Who are these people? Don't have a clue. Government spending is their problem, and people who are government are the problem. They wear masks. They wear masks. And they sold you out to the pharmaceutical industry all over the United States. That's what I see. That's what the stats show me in my reality, even with their news. That's got you confused. Yeah, wave that banner all over the place. What a disgrace. Whitewash the red brick past. Burnt the place to the ground. What's that guy? He put the kids underground. Had orphanages all over the place. Transporting them on the trains all over, even to Spain. Gonna get it through your brain. You ain't spinning. Ain't nobody getting to the moon. There's two images cast on the moon from the past. The explosion of a melted world cast upon a plasma ball. That's a light and a cast, and that's how you come up with using cameras and making images. Check it out. Open your mind and see. Look up at the moon and you'll see time standing still captured. The moon don't change. They'll give you gobbledygook. Get your own telescopes out and your own cameras. It don't change. It's always the same. Different phases of it, from light, backlight, refraction, and so forth from your dome. So, red bricks. What melted this world down? I believe God, Jesus Christ, He who is in me, is greater than he who is in the world, and that's who melted this world, and we all have a second chance. That's what I believe. Look around and you'll see. He told us before we even were screaming, all the mountains are melted buildings, that indeed He said He melted this world. And today we believe. It makes me believe in even more. Sure, if man altered it, He left me enough to see. And I can see He who is in me is greater than he who is in the world. And that's electricity. So, for those who can see. For those who believe that is somebody who is trying to deceive you, then let them think that. Only a fool doesn't believe in God. So love your neighbor like you love yourself. That's what I gotta say. Peace to all you, man. Red bricks, man. Peace. Red bricks all over the place. In your face. Red bricks.